guys, welcome back to BlakeWrTv. It's early in the morning and I'm in the kitchen. I'm about to make me some breakfast. Today I want to do some fried plantains and I got some sweet potatoes. I'm gonna do some sweet potatoes and some scrambled eggs. As you can see, I have all my stuff lined out for you right here. I got my sweet potatoes. If you don't know what a sweet potato is, it's this one right here. The sweet potatoes is like the one you use to bake. You can bake with this. You can do whatever you want with it. It's sweet and tasty. I have it cut up for you right here already. This is what it looked like before it cut up. Here I got my 4 ripe plantains. I was gonna make some green bananas. So the difference between plantain and bananas is like, this is our bananas, this is our plantain. Because some people still don't know the difference between the plantain and the bananas. And the plantain is much bigger, as you can see. And the bananas is much smaller, and this is the green one right here. And this can also ripe. When we pick up ripe banana in the store and they ripe, this is what they look like before they got ripe. They were green and then they get fit and ripe. Alright guys, so we're gonna make some scrambled egg as well. We're gonna make like an omelette when we finish, and we're gonna get right into it right now. Okay guys, so now that the pot is being hot, it's been heated on the stove, we're gonna go ahead and put in some canola oil in the pot so we can start our frying process. So here we go. So that should be good. Just want to cover the surface of the pot with the oil and you're good to go. We're gonna make it heated just a little bit more, and we're gonna start to put in our sweet potato in there. Remember, this is different from the unsweet potato. This is the sweet one we used to bake potato pudding, or people use this for a lot of different things. It's very tasty when you either fry it, cook it, or bake it. It's good either way. It's very nice. Okay guys, know that the oil is being hot. I put a little bit of onion in there. You can put a little bit of onion in your pot to also let you know when the oil is being hot, and it also add a little bit of taste to the oil, so it can fry, and this is not just the oil alone, it can fry into some onion as well, which I like. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in the sweet potato in there to fry. And people always bake sweet potato or cook it. You can also fry it as well. It's a multi-purpose potato, is very nice. So we're gonna fry this until they start to get golden brown, then we can take them out. And remember guys, these potato has a sweet taste to them. They have a sweet taste to them, so when you're eating them, they taste similar to when you use the red potato and put sugar in there and you have that potato with sugar mix. This potato alone has that taste. That's why I like it. And yes, it's early in the morning and we are doing this for breakfast. Now, like I said, we're gonna make some scrambled eggs, some egg omelette, and some fried plantain to go along with this. Okay guys, so we have them in the pot. We have the sweet potato being fried. We're gonna go ahead and just turn them. Make sure they don't burn on the other side. So just want to turn them around, so make sure they don't burn. They start to take on that brown color. That's what I want to see. Sweet potatoes being fried, looking good, looking good. Yeah, so we having that sweet potato being fried. We're gonna make it fry, and then we're gonna take it out and put it on some foil paper. As you can see, we already put the foil paper out already. We're gonna take it out, put on foil paper. We're gonna fry some more, and then we're gonna move on to the fried plantain. I know a lot of you guys love fried plantain, so do I. I like fried plantain, and this is the next process. And after this, we're gonna move on and do the scrambled egg, the egg omelet, and you guys gonna get to see all of it. Keep watching. Okay guys, we're still frying the sweet potato. And you can see they're getting nicely browned. They're getting that brown color. Looking good. Flip them a few more times and probably can take them out in a minute or two. Sweet potato, looking good, looking good. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take them out. They've been browning for a while. We're gonna go ahead and take them out and let them dry it off. All you gotta do is take them out and put them on some file paper. Just like that. Let's go ahead and put the others in here. And this is what the sweet potato looking like. Frying real nicely. Just like that. And over here, this is what the cooked one looked like. See? It's similar to potato chips, except this is sweet and nice and tasty. Very delicious. So we're gonna fry the rest, and then we're gonna move on to do some fried plantain like we said before. So stay tuned, show you all what's going on in BlakeWrTv kitchen. Okay, we're taking out these now. I think they are golden brown, as you can see. They have a nice texture to them. They're fries, real golden brown. We'll remove them from the pot. Put them over there so they can drain off from the oil. Just like that. Let the oil drain off. Looking very nice. And after this, guys, we're gonna go ahead and put in our ripe plantains. And here we go. It's time for us to start this some frying and our ripe plantains. And here we have a nice plantain here. All you have to do to get your plantain prepared to fry, take the knife and you want to cut just like this. So I'll make a little cut at the end, just like that. And then on the side, all you want to do is just cut the layer of this peel. You don't want to cut the plantain too much. Just want to cut the peel, and you do the same thing at the end again. Then you can remove the peel just like this. And here we're just gonna cut our plantain in the middle in half like this, right in half, and then you can slice it all the way down like that. One, and I'm making about 3 slices of this half, just like that. Same thing over here. First slice, and then second, and you end up with 3 slices, just like that. That's one plantain. We're gonna do another one. Oh, this one is big. Let's try this one. Okay, same thing again. Remember the step? Just like that. And then you just cut it in the middle, just like that, and make 3 slices. Just like that. Next one, same thing. And there you go. You can just go ahead and pick your plantain up like this, put it in the oil. And this is fried plantain. Just want to move them a little bit. When you put them in the oil, just push them a little bit from the space they sat into. And the reason why you do this is because you don't want them to stick. When you move them a little bit, you get the oil to get underneath them, and then they are good to go. You don't have to keep moving them around once you move them once until you're ready to turn them so they don't burn on one side. Alright guys, you can see that they are looking golden brown. That is the flavor, that is the texture, the color of the fried plantain. You need that nice golden brown color. You know that they are coming along perfectly. Now we have a few more. Once we remove these out the oil, we're going to put them aside to drain, and then we're going to go ahead and add the rest just in a moment. Once those are finished golden brown, we can remove them. Okay, the plantain is looking good. Okay, we're gonna just take a piece of paper towel and just double it. Guys, when you fry plantain, they tend to want to drain off real good. Unlike the sweet potato, you gotta put like a paper towel to get them to drain properly. Just lay them out on the paper towel. Just like that. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put in the rest. Okay guys, we're still frying the plantain. As you can see, they're coming along very nicely, taking on that golden brown color that we know for our nice fried plantain. Just like that. So now you know you can fry your own plantain just like that. You can have some nice delicious plantain. And we have some sit to the side right here, and we're still cooking, so keep watching. Okay, this is the last of the fried plantain. We are finished frying the fried plantain, so we can move on now to do our scrambled egg. And this is what it looked like, guys. This is sweet potato, golden brown, fried plantain, golden brown, looking delicious. And like I said, we got some eggs over here. We got two more plantain, but we're not gonna fry them. We think we got enough. Some eggs. I'm gonna go ahead and make some omelette with my onion, tomato, and bell pepper. So that's gonna coming up in the next shoot. And in the meantime, before I started, I got a ripe mango. I love these mangoes. They taste so delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. See, in Jamaica, we do it like this. You can peel a mango just like that. See that? Remove the peel, just like that. And you have your mango, you can go ahead and enjoy. Wow. It's so sweet. I may have to go get me some more of these. Wow, it's one of the best mango I have in a long time. Whoa. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up so you guys can see what's going on in the kitchen. Be right back. Okay guys, we're still back in the kitchen. We already finished our sweet potato. They already fried golden brown. Our plantains already fried. We already put them out though so that they can drain properly, get the oil from it. And now we are moving on to making the eggs. For the eggs, we have some bell pepper, our sweet pepper cut up here. We got some tomato diced up. We got some onion already diced up. Over here we have some Spanish onion. This thing gives good flavor. Here we got some scallion, which is just the leaf of the onion, which is scallion right here. A little bit of it, not too much. And we are going to go ahead and put in our olive oil in the pot to grease our frying pan. Just like that. So go ahead and put our onion in right now. Then we're going to add our pepper. And the tomato. And now the scallion. And the thyme. Put a little bit more. Put a little bit of butter in there. With a little bit of rich flavor. Need about 3 or 4 eggs. For this we're gonna use about 4 eggs, just like that. Then just go ahead and just whip your egg. Get all that yolk all mashed up in that egg, just like that. Once you get it nice and creamy, you can go ahead and pour it out. There we go. So now we're gonna go ahead and just pour this out in the mixture. Like that. Then we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of black pepper. Some black pepper in there. Right here, you can leave it like this and it would be an omelette. You can leave it like this and it come out as an omelet and cut it up. But for me, I don't want it to come out like that. I want it to come out scrambled. I like when my egg is scrambled, not when it's come out like something you can cut up. So I just keep on stirring it until it dried out. And then you see what it looked like. So just give it a little time to sit. Okay, see, it's dried up. I'll go ahead and cut the fire out. And it's looking good, just the way I want it. A little bit more olive oil on it. Make sure it's moist. I don't want it too dry. So that's good. And we can just give it a few more stir. But this is done and ready to eat. And this is scrambled egg. Actually, you can turn a scrambled egg in whatever you want it. If you want it to come out, you know, in an omelette, you can have it in an omelette. Or if you want it to come out like this, you can just keep stirring it and it will come out like this. This is what it looks like when it come out scrambled. Okay guys, this is what the finished product look like for breakfast. We have this delicious plate right here. As you can see, we have the plantain, we have the sweet potato that we fried, and we have the scrambled egg. This is what the scrambled egg look like, this is what the plantain look like, and this is what our sweet Jamaican potato look like. And over here, if you want, you can make it with one of these like an egg roll. All you gotta do is just put this in the frying pan and warm it up, and you can go ahead and just make a roll with it, just like that. You just make a roll. Just wrap it and make a roll. Nice and brown. There you go. You can cut it if you want, or you can just eat it just like this. You can cut it or you can eat it. You got all your eggs and vegetables and everything in there, and you can have a nice breakfast sandwich just like this. And that's what it looked like, and that's what the other one looked like with your fried plantain. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try me some of that good plantain. So first, let's try my breakfast. Plantain tastes real good. Yep, this tastes real nice. You can taste all the season in this. The sweet pepper and the egg tastes real good. Try a little bit of my my sweet potato. That's fine. This is real good. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.